Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ecom Himalaya, and in today's video we are going to discuss about child theme. For those who are new to this channel, we are actually creating a playlist on how to create an e-commerce or drop shipping website from scratch, the one that you can see right now on my screen. The best part is that you don't need to have any coding knowledge. I have already created a playlist. The link for that playlist will be in description below and in iCard button above. This is our ninth video in the same series, and today we'll be discussing about child theme. And in order to understand what exactly our child theme are, let me show you. First, we need to log in into our website. In order to log in into our WordPress website, we need to enter our domain name followed by WP admin. Okay. After that, you need to enter your user credential, guys. I have my user credential here, so I'm going to enter the same. Just a minute. So guys, as you can see, I have created a local host in my PC for free. I have already created a video on that in which I have shown you how you can create a local host so that you can edit your website on your PC. Once we log in into our website, this is our panel right now. And the first thing that we need to do is go to appearance and go to theme editor file. Okay guys. So yes, in previous video, I have also shown you how you can create this amazing homepage for free. The link for that will be in iCard above and in description below. So once we head over to theme editor file, you will be seeing so many files of theme. So what exactly are child theme, guys? Our theme contains so many files. What we can do, we can make some changes or can add extra information, can add extra code. That code needs to be stored somewhere. If we are going to edit it into our main theme file, what is going to happen whenever we are going to update, that changes are going to get removed. So what child theme does, child theme is exactly a replication of our main theme in which you can store that extra piece of a code so that it will remain in child theme. Whenever you are going to update your theme, your plugin, those changes are going to remain saved in the child theme. So uh, that is why we create child theme, guys. So here you can see, here in my theme I'm getting so many files, right? So one of the most important file is this file, function.php, guys. So whenever we create a child theme, we create a replication of function.php. Inside that, what we are going to do, we can enter some extra code in our website through which we can add some extra functionalities, which is why we are going to create child theme. Through child theme, we can also install Facebook pixel, guys, and in my upcoming video I am going to show you how you can do that. It's exactly how you can do that. There is nothing to worry, guys. So in my upcoming video I'm going to show you how you can do that as well, so there is nothing to worry, guys. But in today's topic, we are going to create child theme. So in order to create a child theme, it is very easy. We need to head over to plugins, and in plugins you need to click on add new. So we are going to install one plugin that is going to create our child theme. So once you head over here, you need to enter child theme. So guys, we need to install this plugin. As you can see, this has so many active installation and it is updated 2 months ago. So we need to install this plugin. So what this plugin is going to do is, plugin is going to create a child theme, and through that child theme we can add some extra functionalities. We can add Facebook pixel, we can add Google tag manager, we can also add Google pixel, analytics code, some heat map code, so that we can see what our customer is doing in our website. In my upcoming video I'm going to show you how you can do each and everything, so there is nothing to worry. So once it is installed, guys, we need to click on activate button. After activate, showing you. So once it is activated, guys, you need to head over to tools. Inside tools, you'll be getting this option, guys, child themes. You need to click on this. After click on this, you need to see the parent theme. You need to select the parent theme. Suppose, as you already know that I'm using a cadence theme here. If you have a multiple theme, then you will be seeing multiple themes here. So depending on the child theme, for which theme you wanted to create a child theme, you need to select that theme. Right now I'm going to select my main theme, which is cadence theme, and click on analyze. Okay, so as you can see, we can leave that as it is, guys. Even if you don't understand whatever I am doing, just keep doing the same and you will be able to create this child theme, guys. Okay, so here we can use this. Okay, and then you need to click on this one, click to edit child theme attributes. So here we can decide what we want our child theme name to be. So here I can enter something like pet shop, because I have created a pet shop. If you have, you can enter your domain name or your brand name or your company name here. In theme website, you can enter your website URL. I'm going to enter the same. In author, I can enter something like Ecom Himalaya. Okay, and in author website, you can enter, I can enter my YouTube channel or anything. Let's just enter, okay, we can enter some this, we can enter my blog here. Okay, so here in theme description, you can enter something like number one pet shop for your furry. You can enter something like this. You can enter anything you like, guys. So I have entered my blog. As you can see, I have I have uploaded each and every video on my blog. So once it is done, you can remove this one, and version is theme. Make sure that you select this one, guys, and we need to hit on create new child theme. It is going to create our child theme automatically. We don't need to do anything. So let's create it. So yes, a child theme has been done. So there is one more thing that we need to do inside files, guys. Let me show you first. So if we head over to appearance, head over to themes, here we'll be seeing our child theme here, guys. So as you can see, I've created this child theme. Right now my main theme is activated, so I have to activate my child theme. As you can see, the information that I have entered, there are the information here, and if I click on this one, then it will be redirected to my blog. As you can see, now I'm going to activate it. So with this, I have successfully activated my child theme, and we have successfully created our child theme. There are few more things that I wanted to show you. So when you head over to appearance, head over to theme editor file, now you will be getting this option, theme.function, function.php. Okay, so this is the main file that we wanted to replicate. And now suppose if you wanted to replicate some more files, because you wanted to add few codes in some more files, because our Facebook pixel is going to get installed in our header, theme editor header file. Or you can if you wanted to enter some extra code in footer file, then you can create child theme for that as well. So inside your child theme, you will be getting an option for files. Inside this files, you need to click on footer and then click on header. As you can see, you can create child theme for all these files. So depending on your requirement, you can click on it, and then you can click copy selected to child theme. So what is going to happen, Now we are going to have function.php, function.php, footer.php, and header.php as our file. Okay, so here you, if you want, you can screenshot upload screenshot for your website as well. I have one screenshot here, let me show you. So just head over to tutorial tab, and here I have captured something. So once I click on it, then I need to upload it. So what is going to happen now, I'll be seeing that image as my child theme. I'll show you each and everything. So once it is done, it is done. So I'm going to refresh it, this one. Here you will be seeing now two more files, which is header.php and footer.php. Okay guys, and in our appearance themes, here you will be seeing an image of that files. Okay, one more thing that I wanted to make sure that I tell you, that here you will be getting the exact image size in pixel, so you can create this image in Canva. So my image is not exact, which is why you will be seeing this much spacing that is left in the image, but you can create this image in Canva easily if you want. There are few more things that I wanted to mention before we close this tutorial, guys. The first thing, let's go to appearance and in themes. Okay, so as you can see right now, my child theme is activated. So this child theme is the replication of my parent theme, which is Cadence theme. So I cannot delete my parent theme while my child theme is activated, because all the files that are available in Cadence theme are copied in my child theme. So if I delete this one, what is going to happen? My website will not work. So you cannot delete your parent theme, guys, and also you won't be getting an option for that. Second thing, if I wanted to delete my child theme, yes, I can delete my child theme. And how I can delete them? First, as you can see, this child theme is activated. The first thing that I need to do is need to active my parent theme or any other theme apart from the child theme that I wanted to delete. So once I have activated it, then I'll be getting an option to delete here. So once I click delete, this file is going to get deleted. Also, there is one more thing that I wanted to mention, guys. If I want it, as we have already created this child theme, if I want, I can delete my plugin, guys. I can deactivate it, I can delete it, and still my child theme will work because it has already been created. In this video, we have successfully seen how we can create child theme. In my upcoming video, I'm going to show you how we can use this child theme to optimize our cart page. We are going to see how we can automatically update our cart page when a customer is going to increase or decrement the quantity of a particular item. Also, we are going to see how we can add some guarantee batches. There is so much that is going to come in our future videos, so make sure that you subscribe to this video channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any feedback, let me know in the comment section. Guys, thank you so much for watching it, and I'll see you in next one. Bye bye, take care.